Today we are going to know about Notion. Notion is famous for its flexibility as an all-in-one productivity tool, allowing users to seamlessly manage tasks, notes, databases, and team collaboration in a highly customizable workspace. It's a highly flexible platform that combines features like databases, task lists, calendars, and document storage, making it popular for both personal and team use. Let's get started with how it works. Search Notion and sign up. Give your email. You can see 3 options pop up. Choose the one that you relate. Choose the topic that you want to focus on. These are some guiding. For example, if your work done, you can tick mark it and it will be count as done. Here's some of block you can add. We will add heading. Clicking this, you can see some options as well. Let's explore templates. You can add templates as your preference. Here I choose Habit Tracker template. It's way easy to use as template is ready, and you don't have to make one. Add appointment date or day reminder on calendar. Track morning, night routine. You can edit and adjust as you want. Here glimpse of I made my own dashboard. Here I made course list, so I can import important information, and dates, topic of course. You can easily add notes or important file here. Use calendar for deadline of assignments or project, or simply exam date and routine. You can add more by clicking plus button. Download the Notion app on your computer. Notion is available on mobile phone too. Comment below if you want make me template of Notion. Subscribe and wait for next useful videos for you.